Hey everyone, welcome back. I am going through my memory boxes today because I'm looking for a sturdy card that I can use to make my own sticker books to go. These are my current stickers organizers. We have 1, 2, and 3, and they are all a bit too big and bulky for me to be carrying around, so I decided to make my own that are more portable. I'm thinking of making at least 2 today. I've seen a lot of cute little sticker books on Amazon, but I don't want to spend any money. Instead, I'd rather make one that's personalized and give an old card a new life. So that's what we're going to do in this video. Now, before we do that, I'd like to show you a few interesting items that I found in my memory boxes. First, we have this 3D Christmas card that's from one of my cousins. Then we have a water squirter. This is Sylvester. This keychain from the Philippines. One of my friends went home to visit and she brought this back to me. I forgot what year, but this has been in my box for over 5 years. Then we have an almost 10-year-old bracelet given by one of my 3rd grade students at the end of a school year. Next, we have this keychain from Disneyland. I think this was one of my very first souvenirs when I first visited in 2007. Now, those pins are from a 2018 visit. Then I have this. I really love this one. I got this in 2011. It is the Gummy Bear night light or night lamp, and I just tested it yesterday when I found it in my box. It's no longer working, but I'm going to display it on my shelf in my classroom or in my work area so that my students can see that. Then we just have some of the cards that I've already selected. I am most likely going to choose from one of those cards, but I'm still not done going through the boxes. These are just 2 of the boxes that I have. I still have one big memory box in the closet. All right, we are going to get started with the project as soon as I get all the materials ready. So for the sticker book covers, I'll be using these 2 cards that I found from my memory boxes. This is from one of my students when I taught in the middle school when I was in the East Coast. And this is from one of my assistants when I taught in the elementary school, also when I was in the East Coast. When you're making a sticker book, you'll be needing sticker release paper. Now, I inherited this from one of my friends, but I'm pretty sure they're being sold over at Amazon or in stationery supplies stores. Next, I'll be using my long arm stapler to staple the spine of the sticker books. I'll be using a pencil to trim the paper to a size that's a little bit smaller than our covers. I'll be using a ruler to help me measure the amount of paper that I'm gonna cut off the sticker release paper. And since I do not have a paper cutter, I'll be using a pair of scissors to cut the sticker release paper. All right, now the next thing that we're gonna do is to get the amount of paper that you want to be in your sticker books and fold them. So what I'm gonna do is probably get at least 4 to 6 pages, and then I'll fold the paper into 4 parts, like what I'm doing here. And then I'm just going to cut from here to here. That way you have something like this, like a little book. And then we're going to measure the amount of the paper that we're going to cut or trim so that it would fit perfectly inside each of the card. So you see that excess paper, we have to cut that. All right, let's go ahead and do that. After you have stapled the spine of your sticker book, you're basically done, unless you would like to add some protective lining along the sides of your cover or covers. Now, I am going to do that on my second sticker book. For this one, I think this would perfectly match the color, but I'm not sure if I want to do that for this one. Now, for my second card, I think we are going to use this washi tape to cover the sides. Now, before you add on the paper and staple the spine, you have to do this first. That way it would be easier for you to go through the process of making your sticker book. Alright friends, here are the finished projects. I really like how they both turned out. And if you're like me who loves to journal wherever you go, or if you're somebody who loves to decorate your book of shadows with stickers, or even if you just enjoy trading stickers, this is the perfect project for you because you won't have to carry around a big heavy sticker album anymore. You can also decorate your sticker books however you like. You don't have to follow exactly what I did in this video. You can add a protective plastic cover, personalize it with your name, or make it completely your own. This activity encourages creativity and it will also save you money. Anyway, let me know in the comment section what you think of this DIY. I hope you'll recreate this project, and if you do, please don't forget to tag me. Thank you all for watching. I am the Urban Witch, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!